Welcome to the series of lectures in computer architecture. So in this particular lecture, we are going to learn about representing a particular number, okay, in floating point format. Okay, single precision floating point format and double precision floating point format. So we will take up an example straight away. So represent minus 307.1875 to the base 10 in single and double precision format. So this is the problem for us. So first we need to convert this decimal number which is given to binary. So we know that the procedure for converting the given decimal number to binary. So first this 307. So the whole value, okay, that is available before the decimal point is converted by successive division by 2. Okay, so when you convert this successive 307 successive division by 2, it will be 100111111. Now the conversion process is still not over because we are having some digits to the right of the decimal point. So 1875, 0.1875. So that we need to consider by multiplying by 2 for converting into binary number. So when you get this process, okay, when you continue this process, it becomes 0011. Okay, so 0011 we will take up 4-bit of representation to the right, and we will stop the conversion process because after this 0.5 into 2, subsequently if you multiply 0 into 2, it becomes 0. Okay, so we cannot continue further, so we will stop with 0011. So the final answer after converting the given decimal number into binary is minus 307.1875 to the base 10 is equal to minus 100110011.0011 to the base 2. So this is the binary notation, binary representation. Now for this binary representation, we need to give the scientific notation for this. So because the base is 2, so into 2 to the power of 0. So exponent value is 0. So directly we are representing, right? So after performing the scientific notation, representing it in scientific notation, now we need to go for normalized representation. So if the normalized representation means there should not be any leading zeros in the scientific notation. So if you see, there are 4 leading zeros available. Leading zeros means we need to consider any digit with 0 to the left of the decimal point. So in our case, it has 4 zeros to the left of the decimal point. So we need to shift right the entire values up to this 0. Okay, up to this 0. Okay, so that there will not be any leading zeros further in the corresponding scientific notation. So when you shift any digit from left to right, so the exponent is incremented. So how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Until this 0, 8 digits we need to shift from left to right. So it becomes 2 to the power of 8. For each digit, one exponent value is incremented by 1. So after shifting to the right, so it becomes minus 1.001100110011 into 2 to the power of 8. So this is the normalized notation. Okay, after normalized notation, then we can go for the floating point representation with respect to the single precision format and double precision format. So in single precision format, the exact notation is minus 1 to the power s. This is for the sign. Okay, s is for the sign into 1 plus f. This is implied 1, and this is f fraction field, and into 2 to the power of e minus bias. Bias for the single precision format is 127. Okay, so that we need to remember. So minus 1 to the power 1. Why minus 1 to the power 1? Because the given value is negative. So minus 1 to the power 1 will be minus, right? So 1 plus. So we need to represent this fractional part. So what are all the digits available after the decimal point that we are taking? Okay, the entire digits 0, 00, 11, 00, 11, 00, 11. Okay, right? So this is represented in actually 32 bits, right? As that is 23 bits. 23 bits is the representation given for the fraction field, right? So for that we have extended these zeros, okay, into 2 to the power of. Now what number with which we are going to subtract, okay? So so that we can get exponent as 8. So what number with what number we will be subtracting this bias, okay, so that we will get the exponent value as 8. So bias we know that it is 127. Be 8. So if you subtract 135 minus 127, okay, if 127 is subtracted by 135, you will get 8. So now we need to take this binary value of 135. So 135 binary value, the same process, if you successive divide it by 2, you will get the 1 followed by 4 zeros and triple 1. Okay, 1 followed by 4 zeros and triple 1, right? This one you will get. And this is represented in the 8-bit format. Okay, already this is 8-bit format. So we are substituting in the single precision format. This one is the sign bit 1 followed by 8-bit exponent, which is we have calculated by converting 135 to the base 10, 1 followed by 4 zeros and triple 1, that is, and the remaining 23 bits is a fraction field. Okay, so whatever available after the decimal point, so we have taken it and represented it in 23 bits. So this is the single precision format for the given number. Now, what is the double precision format? Only simple variation is there. In the double precision format, 52 bits is allocated for fraction part and 11 bits is allocated for the exponent part, right? So that is a change, and as well as the bias for the double precision format is 1023. So that is the one thing. So same thing, minus 1 to the power 1 into 1 plus the fraction bits. That fraction bit we need to represent in 52 bits. Okay. So because we cannot accommodate more number of bits in this page, so we have given a dotted notation here, and then it means that we need to represent totally 52 bits. Okay, right? And what number with which we can subtract 1023 should to get the exponent 8. So 1031 minus 1023 will get you 8. So this 1031 should be converted into binary. So to get the exact exponent value in binary in 11 bits. So the value is 1 followed by 7 zeros triple 1. So that we are substituting in the 11 bits exponent field. 1 is for the sign bit, they must be, and the remaining notation. Okay, so these are all the fraction field, and we are going to extend zeros after this. So how many zeros we need to extend so that the entire number fraction field is represented in 52 bits. So this is the double precision format for the given problem. Thank you.